Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change phone language on your Google Pixel 10. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to System, press on System, then select Language on the region at the top of the list. Now press System Languages, and this is where you can add languages and like priorities. So you can do like language order. So for example, if a language isn't available in an app, it's going to use the next one down. So you can also add another language. So for example, Polish, and this is the second language in line that is going to be used if this one isn't available. So you can also tap on that one to change it. So you can like scroll it down like this, and it's going to ask you if you want to change the language. So press on change, and there we go. Now the change the language of the phone is now changed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.